the next one I believe that we have on the list is guaranteeing the state's protection against, again, invasion. So, Paul, do you want to talk about what this executive order is about?
So again, it's premised on this idea of an invasion, and it's saying that non-citizens on the border don't have their limited rights to apply for asylum. It's leading to things like non-citizens being sent to Panama, non-citizens being sent to Venezuela. It asserts broad executive power, and it implies there's a broad executive power apart from Congress. Now, there's certainly some executive power, but I think this is where you're going to see courts checking the executive branch. What Supreme Court has said is where the president is exercising authority given to it by Congress, courts are going to be very deferential. But to the extent the executive says, this is all my own power, I can do what I want, courts are going to check that.
Yeah, absolutely. And I hope that they do, because, it is very concerning, having somebody, being shipped off to somewhere like, Guantanamo Bay. You think about just simple things like having access to counsel. It just makes it impossible to defend yourself, in immigration court proceedings.
So someone being granted withholding of removal, they then get removed to Mexico. And then Mexico's like, we're sending you right back to your country. And they're not honoring the withholding of removal.
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
And that's very much what the third order, securing our borders, does. It talks about international cooperation and securing third countries under INA 208. There's probably know that a non-citizen cannot be given asylum if there is a third safe country. So there's going to be a creation of alleged third safe countries. But right now, Panama is not a third safe country. There's been litigation going on about what's happening there, and the administration is not saying that Panama is a third country.
Yeah.
So they're sending people to the administration is not saying that Panama is a safe third country.
I mean, it's like they don't care. I mean, it's very extra legal, right? It's I don't want to say illegal or but it's they're going to the line of what's lawful, and it's stepping over.
I'd say they're definitely stepping over the border of legality.